Una don't they hear about NSARS where they happen for Nigeria. Anybody will never hear about NSARS. Now be say they sleep on top bicycle. You better wake up. Wake up, oh. Hey, the governor of Lagos State. They say he go give speech, apology speech. Say they apologize. I'm very sorry for everything that is happening. Who your sorry help? Oga governor, who your sorry help? Who your sorry help? You no say sorry exists before una start dey kill people. After many people don't die, you they come, you they raise shoulder. Without your shoulder will be like say you put 10 shoulder pad inside. You they raise and where they talk say they sorry. Your sorry no help anybody. Okay, as you take sorry now, how many people don't come back to life? No be the same matter, not the same matter. Ha! You don't understand. The thing wey come they pay me pass. For this whole speech where this man give, the thing where they pay me pass, now the one way in come talk. Make una wait to I go read them according to in own words, as in Sabi English. This may look like the darkest hour of our history, but the sun will rise again. I beg, which sun? No, my people, I need answer for this one. Which sun? He said the sun will rise again. Which sun? Nine sun? If we produce sun go rise again. I been at the sun where people where don't die no go see again. Which sun? As God will have it every time. God is faithful. Now sorry we can't hear say they born in mama house. Hey, they don't born in mama house. We no know. Hey, they born the mother house. Anyhow, make una watch the video first before I go give governor my own speech because me self I get speech for them. So make una watch the video. Oga Governor, this is my speech to you. This may look like the darkest hour of your family, but the sun will rise again. As I talk now, how you dey feel? Your mama house, you don't come back. That is the same way. All the people that have died, this your statement is not bringing them back to life. They have gone. So have sense. Think before you talk. Not be everything you go come outside and talk. I even this outside where you come, I not even sure say that from your heart. It's just so that what people will say. My people, anywhere where una know, say this man where they talk about, they make una give her advice. A word is enough for the wise. I go see una later. I make una make sure I beg una. Subscribe, comment, and share this video. Share this video. My husband to be feed your contact list. I beg make they marry me. Share this video. See you next time.